What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to be here today. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 biggest mistakes I've personally witnessed and learned from. People make in crypto affiliate marketing, especially those just starting out in this exciting but sometimes confusing space. I want to help you avoid these pitfalls so you don't have to lose money and potentially a lot of it. Or even worse, damage your reputation in the industry, which can be incredibly hard to recover from. If you're new to crypto affiliate marketing and want to actually succeed and build a sustainable business, consider this video your cheat sheet. These are the keys to avoiding major headaches. I've seen people get banned from platforms, losing all their hard work and potential income, lose trust with their audience, making it impossible to promote anything effectively, and ultimately throw away real opportunities for long-term success and financial freedom just by making these easily avoidable errors that I'm about to share with you. We're busting myths that are floating around the crypto affiliate space, exposing hidden landmines that could blow up your business before it even gets off the ground, and giving you the real roadmap, the proven strategies to building a legit, profitable, and sustainable crypto affiliate business. So stick around, this is crucial information. Missing even one of these key points could cost you everything you're working towards. Let's dive in and get started. Mistake hash 1. Joining affiliate programs without conducting thorough research. Diving in headfirst without understanding the program's intricacies can lead to wasted time and effort. It's crucial to approach affiliate marketing with a strategic mindset. Don't chase high commissions blindly. While attractive, extremely high commission rates can sometimes be a red flag, indicating unsustainable business practices or low-quality products. If a program looks too good to be true, with promises of instant riches and effortless income, it probably is. Exercise caution and skepticism. Investigate. Does the company pay on time? Consistent and reliable payments are essential for maintaining a healthy cash flow and building trust. Look for reviews or testimonials that confirm their payment history. Is the product actually good? Promoting a subpar product can damage your reputation and erode the trust of your audience. Would you recommend it to your family? This is a crucial test. If you wouldn't endorse the product to your loved ones, it's probably not worth promoting to your audience. Compare programs. Look at commission rates, and consider the overall value proposition, recurring payouts, and the quality of their affiliate support. A responsive and helpful affiliate manager can make a huge difference. Promoting a bad product destroys your credibility fast. Once trust is lost, it's incredibly difficult to regain. Make a simple spreadsheet of pros and cons for each potential affiliate program. This will help you visualize the risks and rewards before you commit your time and resources. Remember, this is a business, not a lottery ticket. Treat it with the seriousness and dedication it deserves. The right program makes everything easier, from content creation to promotion. The wrong one will sink you, leaving you frustrated and discouraged. Take your time, do your homework, and don't rush into any decisions. And be strategic in your approach to affiliate marketing. Your reputation is worth more than a quick buck. Building a sustainable business requires trust and integrity. Mistake hash 2. This is a big one, and it's something that can get you into serious trouble. Ignoring compliance and regulations. Many people think they can just ignore the rules and regulations, especially in the crypto space, but that's a huge mistake. Crypto isn't the Wild West anymore. Those days are long gone. You must disclose affiliate links. It's not optional. It's the law. Failing to do so can result in hefty fines and legal action. Know the rules in your country. Regulations vary widely from place to place, and your audience's country. You're responsible for understanding the laws that apply to both you and the people you're marketing to. Don't promise guaranteed profits. That's a surefire way to attract unwanted attention from regulators. Or hide risks. Be transparent about the potential downsides of investing in crypto. Read every affiliate program's terms of service. These documents outline what you can and can't do as an affiliate. Can you use ads? Are there restrictions on the types of ads you can run? Email? Are you allowed to send promotional emails to your subscribers? Know before you act. Do your due diligence and make sure you're not violating any rules. Break the rules and you'll get banned. It's that simple. And lose your commissions. All your hard work will be for nothing. Take an hour to read the legal stuff. I know it's not the most exciting task. It's boring, but it protects your business. Think of it as an investment in your long-term success. Don't risk everything for a shortcut. There are no shortcuts to success in the long run. Stay compliant, stay in the game. It's the only way to build a sustainable business. Protect your future by playing by the rules. It's the smart, responsible, and ultimately, the most profitable thing to do. Mistake hash 3. Overhyping results and making wild claims. Don't promise Lambos and overnight riches. It's unethical and kills your credibility. If your audience loses money, they'll blame you and warn others. Be real. Crypto is volatile. Share your experience, but always mention risks. Focus on the real benefits: security, ease of use, support, not fantasy profits. Build trust by being honest and transparent. Responsible marketing attracts loyal followers. Your reputation is your most valuable asset. Mistake hash 4. Assuming your audience is as crypto-savvy as you. Most beginners are overwhelmed by jargon. If you don't teach, you lose them. Break down basics. What's Bitcoin? How do you buy crypto? What's a wallet? Educate first, sell second. When people understand, they trust you. Create simple guides and answer common questions. This builds authority and a loyal community. Warm up your audience before recommending anything. Teaching is your secret weapon. Don't just sell, empower. Mistake hash 5. Spamming your affiliate links everywhere. Dropping links in random comments or groups makes you look desperate and gets you banned. Nobody trusts a spammer. Instead, provide real value in communities. Answer questions, share insights, and only share your link when it's genuinely helpful, with a disclosure. Build your own platform: YouTube, blog, or Twitter. Let people come to you for advice. Be a trusted advisor, not a pushy salesperson. Relationships drive conversions, not spam. Help first, promote second, respect the community, and they'll respect you. Mistake hash 6. Never tracking your results. If you don't know what's working, you're just guessing. Use your affiliate dashboard and tools like Google Analytics to see what content drives clicks and signups. Track links by platform: YouTube, blog, Twitter, to know where your audience comes from. Analyze the data, double down on what works, cut what doesn't. Data is your roadmap to scaling up. Test, track, optimize, repeat. Don't fly blind. Let numbers guide your strategy. Smart tracking turns effort into real income. Mistake hash 7. Failing to build trust. In crypto, trust is everything. Without it, nobody clicks your links. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and honest about both pros and cons. Share your real experiences, including mistakes. Let your personality show. People connect with authenticity. Always put your audience's interests first. Every recommendation should help them, not just you. Serve your audience, and the money will follow. Trust takes time to build, but it's the only way to win long-term. Be their honest guide in the crypto jungle. That's it. The 7 deadly sins of crypto affiliate marketing you'll now avoid. You've got the blueprint. Now go build your business the right way. What's the biggest mistake you've seen in affiliate marketing? Drop it in the comments. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Let's help each other win. Now get out there and crush it.